Hi there! As you can see, I've gone back to sitting on the floor. Now, I wanted to address one issue that is bothering many guitarists that play in their flats. How to get a decent rock sound at very low volumes. Now I have one solution. I'm using a 1-watt Palmer amplifier and there's some pedals. Now, without any strange reinforcement, it sounds like this. So it's very poppy. But I've realized that if you have the right sort of combination in your pedal board, it gets much dirtier. What I'm using is a boost, a compressor, and then I'm adding a tube preamp by a Finnish manufacturer called Hehku. First, I only use its sort of basic channel to get a flavor of some more tubes. As you can hear, when you add old-fashioned EF86 tubes, it really gets different. Because when you're using 20X type, 20A type tubes, it really stays small at low volumes. But these tubes sound really loud or strange and strong even when they're very low volume. And believe me, I'm playing at very low volume now. But it gets even more interesting when you add the drive channel, which is basically the, the high gain channel of this pedal. I have to add that I'm using a tube speaker, which is a very sort of clear speaker when you're playing with low volumes. So let's do that again. Let's take out the preamp and play with the Palmer amplifier only at a very low volume. That's not too bad, but it's sort of a trebly sound that you get at low volumes. Now we add the first layer of more tubes. That's already much more interesting, and this is actually a good sound if you're miking it directly to your recording device. And then the drive sound, which of course is a bit more noisy. So that was a simple demonstration of a trick you can do inside your flat in order to avoid neighbors getting angry. Of course you can do this with a digital device more easily, but this is what I do when I need to record indoors at my flat. See you later!